Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add lipstick in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to add lipstick in your photos, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Now, we need a subject to add lipstick to. So I'll click on Tools and then go to Double Exposure and click here to add the photo of the subject. Now, to make it look brighter, we can increase its opacity from the slider. Now, click here to save changes. Now, since we want to add lipstick to the subject, click on Tools at the bottom menu, go to White Balance, and now increase the tint like this. And what you can do is click here to save changes, go to Tools and click on Tune Image, and now go to Saturation, increase it according to your preference. And once you're happy with your lipstick color, click here to save changes. Now what we have to do is click here to see the layers and click on View Edits. From here, click on White Balance. Click here to edit the white balance. Now zoom the area of the lips. All you have to do is brush over the lips. Be precise where you want lipstick color. Since I'm not good at applying lipstick, you can also decrease the white balance and erase the part where you don't want the lipstick. Just like that. And again, if I have to make it little better, what I can do just like this. And just like this, we have added lipstick in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.